Hey, what's up? This is Kay here for After Effects tutorial channel, and now time to making a visual effects scene about UFO. Okay, there is two programs working on it, 3ds Max and Adobe After Effects with Element 3D plugins and 3D camera tracking. So let's start. Go to After Effects, create a new composition from footage and select your clip. Okay, now play here. I need from here, trim your comp. Okay, go to composition, trim comp, and right click, pre-compose, turn on move all attributes and name it footage. Press enter and then select your footage and go back to motion tracking, turn on track camera and please wait. There is working on footage, initializing, wait. Okay, 10 seconds is remaining, CPU, memory and GPU. Okay, so select one point which is from start to end is here. When you selected the point, right click, create a null in camera. There is null object in camera. And now go to layer, new solid, name it UFO, press enter, turn off the clip sound, select the UFO and go to effects, video copilot, element 3D and go back to scene setup and then go to import and select UFO OBJ. There is UFO OBJ. Zoom out. You must create the UFO model in 3D programs, Maya, 3D Max and 4D. Not important which one is. Then export it by file, export, select it and then select OBJ exporter, name it, export, save. Okay, then when you import in the UFO in element 3D, there is about materials. Okay, apply this one, change the reflection like this and then need a little bit dark. What's this? Glasses. Apply glasses. What about this? This is good, and change the color warm. And what's this? Select this one, apply this and then select this, apply the gold and then what is this? Select this, apply black glass and apply the bright light and apply the bright light. Yeah, that's good and press OK. There is UFO. Select this and go to group 1 and particle look, size down and then when you play the UFO is here and there is something I missed. Go back to and apply there and press OK. And now I want to rotate the UFO. Go to particle replicator, open rotation and stopwatch the rotation and 360 degree like this. Yeah, this is good. Okay, what the UFO do? Move the UFO too far, and press shift for fast moving. The UFO coming here. 1 second. There is 1 second. Press shift. Okay, before starting the moving, stopwatch. And there is 1 second. Press shift. The UFO is coming here, coming near and here, a little bit up. Good. And then when the UFO is coming, create another model. Close this group and go to select another model. There is about sports, sounds, okay, there is projectile weapons. What about this grenade? I think this grenade is too good, so let's select the grenade and change it group 2 and creating another plan in group 3 for matte shadow. Press OK, and now close the group 1, go to group 3 and down the plan and move far and down again and go to particle look, scale up the size and go to group 2 for the grenade, down the grenade and move too far, down the grenade, move to right under UFO, there and there and down more. Yeah, move it again, move little bit up. Okay, go to particle look and change the size of grenade and move a little bit up, more up. Good. Go back to scene setup and select the plan and drop the matte shadow and press OK. Then group 2, go to render setting and turn on the ambient occlusion for the shadow under grenade like this, and then select the quality and there is about radius, there is very natural, and then go back to lighting, select the cinema lighting, or you can set custom lighting. Look like this. Yeah, good. For the UFO, turn on the glow. There is about UFO glow, and change the glow 1, and then look, the UFO is coming. After coming, create a new solid into yellow color, name it light rays, press OK, turn off and select the pen. Okay, select again, move up and set the mask here. Okay, after this, turn on the light and press MM for feather and press T for the opacity, like this. And now go to change the mode, effects, and where is the effects? There's effects and presets. So right here, linear wipe. There is linear wipe, drop here, change angle to 0 and start the feather 0. And then after the UFO is coming, turn on this one. Now look, the UFO is coming, light on grenade, and the grenade is going into the UFO. There is group 2 about grenade, and stopwatch position and rotations. Then go slowly up. Look, play. Okay, move up and change direction and move up, move up. Okay, there is a little bit problem because the bomb is came out behind of UFO. There is a best technique. Look, press page up 1 frame, go back to particle look, stopwatch, page down, go 1 frame forward and change it to 0. It means when the UFO is coming and the bomb is going into the UFO, the bomb is hidden. Then the bomb is hidden, and select the light rays and press U for keyframe of linear wipe, stopwatch, then close it. Okay, look, turn on the 3D, and now look, good. After this, select the UFO, press U for keyframes, create all of this, add keys, and then move the UFO back. There is group 1 about UFO, and then move the UFO, press shift, Good. Okay. Don't forget, go to Element 3D and turn on the render setting and go to motion blur. Okay, good. And now time to test. Good. Okay, close this one, close, select footage and create brightness contrast, double click, dark, like this. Thank you guys, thank you for watching. Don't forget, please subscribe the channel and like the videos. See you next time. This is